In the previous lecture, we learned about font style. In this lecture, we're going to learn about font weight. So the font weight specifies the weight of the font. There are several values. Some of them are letter keywords and some of them are numeric keywords. The letter keywords, of course, are very easy to remember, such as normal, bold, bolder, and lighter. The numeric keywords can be entered by hundreds, from 100 to 900, such as 100, 200, 300, 400, all the way to 900. Now, all these values might not be available for certain fonts. So what the browser will do is simply find the closest available version. So we're going to start with the letter keywords. So I'm going to leave this like it is in the HTML document. And in the CSS file, I'm going to specify the P tag here. And I'm going to add a font family. Okay. I'm going to add cursive as value. Now I'm going to add font weight. And we're going to start with lighter. We're going to start with lighter. Okay, so you can just write lighter, save, refresh. Basically, you won't see any difference, okay? This is how it looks, the cursive font family. Okay, well, let's just continue here. Now we're going to add normal, refresh, and you don't see no changes. That's because there's not lighter value available for this font, okay? Only the normal value. Okay, now let's add bold, refresh. Okay, you can see the differences. And let's add bolder now. I'm just gonna add ER to make it bolder. Save it and refresh. Okay, and there's no changes. That means that there's no bolder value available for this font either. Okay, if we just remove the font weight, then it'll set back to normal, which is the default font weight from the browser. Okay. As a reference, I think I'm just going to let me just add this here. Gonna put normal or bold. As a reference, I think I'm gonna create a common weight name table. So I'm gonna say 100, that would be thin. 200 will be extra light. 300 will be light. 400 will be normal. 500 is going to be medium. 600 is going to be semi-bold. 700 is going to be bold. 800 is going to be extra bold. And 900 is going to be ultra bold. Okay? But again, some of these numeric and letter keywords might not be available. Okay? But the ones that will most likely be are normal and bold, which are 400 and 700. Well, that is it for this lecture. In the next lecture, we're going to learn about colors.